Hi guys, today I got this wireless handheld vacuum cleaner. It's super light. I love this color. It comes so fast. Look to this. This is a special function for take out your carpet if it's not too long, and you can charge it. Here's the battery comes. It's very nice and very useful. It's nice to handle this. Okay. The package comes very fast and very organized, very safe. As you see, it's you can see the filter. It's a steel filter. Okay. So here's everything what you need, and extra filter and different stuff for clean in different spots. Like for example, I have a fireplace and I have a special tool for clean here in the corner, or I can use another tool and clean in another places, like here for example, take out all dust from your house. So let's install it and see how it works. But firstly you should charge. Okay, so this comes an instruction, but you see how it's easy to install it. Okay, and this you should charge firstly. Here's a charger. Okay, so connect to the battery here on the side and charge, and then you can use this in different way. Okay, let's install it. Like this. Yeah, very easy. Okay, let's charge it, and I try to vacuum. So, hi guys, I just charged, put the battery. It's very easy, and let's see how it works. Okay, now let's change and use special tool. Here's our special tool. You see, it's a holder for tools. It's very easy. It's very easy to attach. You should see the click, and let's see how it works. Perfect. Now my house will be super clean, and I like because it's very light and useful vacuum. Highly recommend this product.